Alright, update for today, December 3 at 9:41 p.m. So we saw the price touch our 30-minute rally base drop and 1 hour supply engulfing. So we place a sell trade. Though the one problem here is that price is possible to break above, because as we check from the MACD, the 1 hour is going up, strong bullish, and also even the 4 hour is moving up. So the one possibility that we are checking here for safety is that price is possible to pull back for few pips, because as we see here from 1 hour, we see FEG here. So in case the price will pull back, we can check that the price can touch this 1 hour FEG. So I will put a alert here just in case it will touch, and I will move it to a break even for the SL. But in case, let's see if price will continue to move down. If will move down, the price possible to respect this 1 hour FEG, and if break, the price possible to hit our SL here, and possible to touch the daily resistance over here. So let's observe the price action. And also what we see here is that we saw a 1 hour break of structure. So yeah, so the possible is that the price will go up. So once the price is touched over here, we set a break even. All right. So we forgot to enter buy here actually from this level, because as we check the price structure is still bearish, though the 1 hour is looks break of structure, but because we saw this rally base drop or drop base rally base drop or drop base drop pattern, and there's a 1 hour engulfing, it's like our confirmation for sell is also valid. So there's a bit confusion here regarding my setup, because we saw this FVG, I saw this MACD also is strong bullish. So, and also there will be high impact today. So let's see what will happen. Okay, see you. Bye.